Good morning. A bit of an unusual circumstance. Today is Monday morning, March 23rd. Doing all right today. I had a number of general civil pretrials set for 8:30, 8:45, 9. They've all settled. So we have general civil pretrials starting at 10, 10:15 and 10:30, and we're very busy criminal docket. It's probably going to be one of those Mondays where we don't get lunch. So we're going to go from 10 probably through till 12:30 or so. And then we have a civil docket this afternoon. The clerks brought me a walk-in arraignment on a bit of a strange circumstance. Judge Pattison had criminal matters today, but he didn't have anything set, so they asked me to handle it. So we've got a walk-in customer here at the court, and we're going to deal with him here in a minute. His name is, he's out in the hallway somewhere. I'm just going to have him plead not guilty. Okay. Stick me on the way over.
He said he was finishing up an email.
All right, stall for a minute. All right, Mr. Swift will be with you in just a minute. I hope your team won this weekend. Mine did. Congratulations to Iowa. Sorry for Kentucky and Florida. Anyway, a lot of teams left are Big Ten teams out of the 16 that are there. If you like basketball, this is the time of year. Good morning, Mr. Stickley.
Good morning, Judge.
I'm just you can talk with him for a minute. I'm gonna recommend they plead not guilty and get an attorney for him.
Sure. We'll check.
All right, Mr. Stickley's touching base with the defendant. It is Monday. Six o'clock already. I was just in the middle of a dream. I was kissing Valentino by a crystal blue Italian stream. But I can't be late because then I guess I just won't get paid. These are the days you wish your bed was already made. Song's written by Prince.
Yeah, you got it, Judge Warner. I'm not guilty.
All right. We'll address that in a minute. It is a beautiful day. Great to be alive. I gave it today's first line. Even Mr. Stickley would have known that one. And we'll be back at 10 with our general civil stuff. Just another Matic Monday. They said good morning to Mr. Stickley and Officer Paul. Maryland is not in.
Did you say it's a great day to be alive? It's one of my favorite songs.
What?
That's one of my favorite songs.
Well, that's not a song. That's from a commercial from Grapevine Furniture, but it is a beautiful day.
Oh, I
Great to
disagree.
be alive.
There's a great country song.
Oh, all right. Well, let's get started here. Mr. Swick came in for another matter and found out he had a no ticket. So I'll turn off the chat. I'll be back again at 10 and we'll let him run for apps for a minute. This is an unscheduled matter that the clerks asked me to do, and that's why I'm here. Mr. Swick, would you come up to the podium, please? This is a misdemeanor case in the matter of People versus, oops, my secretary's ill today, so we got some texts that she wasn't going to be here, but I think we're up and running. Yes. This is a misdemeanor unscheduled arraignment in the matter of People versus Joshua Michael Swick. Mr. Swick, you came in here to the court to check on another traffic ticket or something, and the clerk discovered that there's a pending warrant for your arrest. A warrant. It's alleged that on March 15th in Colon Township at Driftwood Drive and Sewanee Trail that you were driving with a blood alcohol content over 0.017. Now this was March of 2025, March 15th of 2025. The police officer submitted the request for a warrant with an affidavit on April 15th of 2025. And for reasons I don't understand, the prosecutor didn't authorize this until February of 2026. This sat in review status for 10 months. I think recently they've been clearing out their in basket. We've got a number of these old cases that have been pending for months and months. But this did get authorized in February by our court. The prosecutor signed it on February 20th, 2026, 10 months after the fact. 11 months after the fact. Anyway, it's a misdemeanor. It's punishable by up to 180 days in jail and a fine of up to $700. It carries 6 points and it requires that your license be suspended. You may have thought this thing was all over and done with. You haven't heard anything about it for a year.
I've been waiting.
All right, well, the shoe just dropped. But in light of the delay and other things that are going on, it would be my recommendation you plead not guilty and I get an attorney to assist you with this. Is that acceptable to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you missing work right now?
No, Your Honor, I'm a third shifter.
All right, you're one of those guys that have been up all night. I'm going to show you're pleading not guilty. We'll appoint an attorney. There is an affidavit of probable cause. They did a blood draw and it came back, and Officer Justin Norgan submitted this April of 2025. I'm not sure what all the reasons for the delay is, but we're going to set an attorney pretrial for May 1st at 8:30. Now, whenever the court officer take you out to the counter, they're going to give you some paperwork with your attorney's name and number on it. I want you to call that attorney, make an appointment to discuss it with them prior to May 1st. Looks like we're going to be real busy that day, but the prosecutors got the police report, the lab report, probably everything they need. Your attorney can get a copy of that, and then you guys can be in a position to discuss this at the pretrial on May 1st. All right, I'll see you then.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, let's end the live stream. We'll be back at 10. That was an unscheduled matter. Keith, would you stick around for a second? Sure.
In this courtroom hearing, Ms. Snyder was found in serious violation of her child support obligations, as she was required to pay $281.50 monthly, but had only made a $5 payment in December 2023 and nothing significant for over 2 years, leaving her with a total arrears of over $3,000. Despite her attorney explaining that she was unemployed, homeless at times, lacked identification, and relied on her boyfriend for support, the judge focused on her lack of effort to improve her situation, noting she had not applied for jobs, pursued her GED, or taken advantage of available factory work opportunities in her area. The court determined she failed to show due diligence in complying with the order and held her in contempt, sentencing her to 21 days in jail, with 6 days credit already served, and ordering her to pay $500 by February 16, 2024, to avoid serving the remaining sentence, while also forfeiting her previously posted $400 bond.